No one wants a boring dinner table. In this video, we'll show you how to make a quick and easy Christmas placemat.
To make this placemat, you will need a piece of felt measuring 17.5 inches wide and 12 inches deep. For your fabric strips, you will need one 2.5 inch wide by 22 inches long, two 2.5 inches wide by 20 inches long, two at 2.5 inches wide by 16 inches long, two at 2.5 inches by 11 inches, two at 2.5 by 6 and two at 2.5 by 3, and a pair of pinking shears. To start, take the long strip, which is the one we cut to 22 inches long, and place it running diagonally from corner to corner on your felt. Lay this right sides up. Make sure that the fabric is covering the corner of the felt at each end. Grab some pins and your next piece of fabric, this time one of your 20-inch long strips. Lay this on top of the first strip, right sides together. Make sure that this strip is also coming off the edge of the felt at each end. Line up the raw edges and pin in place. At the sewing machine, we will sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance, going through all the layers, sewing from one end to the other. Once that is sewn, flip over the top fabric and give it a press with your fingers. Take your next strip, this time it's a 16-inch strip, and line it up with the last piece sewn right sides together. Pin in place and sew the raw edges again at 1/4 inch seam allowance. Stitch, flip, press and repeat. You may or you may not need the last 3-inch piece for the corner. If you do, attach this as we have done before. You have now completed one half, so flip your placemat round and we will start on the other side. Repeat the same process as before until all of the felt is covered. Once finished, flip your placemat over and trim away the excess fabric from the felt, cutting close to the felt edge but not trimming anything from the felt itself. Turn the placemat to the right side, sew around the edge using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. After sewing, take your pinking shears and trim away the excess seam allowance. Take your time and cut close to the stitches, but don't cut through them. There we are, all finished. The final thing to do is set the table.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And if you'd like to try another quick and easy patchwork project, why not check out the free fabric basket class available on our website.